Coaching Academy and welcome to online lecture with me, Online Tutu. Our today's lecture is how to learn English. Learning to speak English can be hard, but don't give up. With enough practice and the right online classes in MAS.COACHING Academy, you can start speaking English confidentially. Let's tell you 3 smart ways to learn English. Number 1, go to or join an online English class. The great way to put some more English conversation into your week is to join English class. Joining the English class is a great way to focus on some of the more formal parts of speaking English. Number 2, study English phonology. In English, we don't say what we write. Every word has a phonetic form. Some dictionaries have phonetic form of a word as a word. You can search online for phonology. Very simple. Speaking English every day. The absolute best way to learn any language is to use it. It does not matter if you only know 5 English words or if you are almost fluent. Speaking English with other persons is the best way to improve. Don't wait until you feel more comfortable. Just speak English. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, follow our Facebook page, and follow our admins on Telegram and WhatsApp for our free English classes and the other programs. Thank you, MAS.COACHING Academy.